is position 3, and so on. So what's this?
A sub 4.
A sub 4. All right, this one's the last one.
Yeah.
Since I put a bunch of dots in the middle, okay, I know you can tell me what position that is because it's by 2. So you're going to pretend you don't know that that's the 52nd term.
A subscript.
So it's just the last term.
Yeah.
All right, the last term is always A sub n. So when you see an n, that means that's the last one in my sequence. Well, A sub n is the last one. What's the one right before the last one? A sub n minus 1. Yes, question?
So n is like, does it always have to be n if it's n?
No. Will it be? Yeah. All right. It can be any term. A sub n can be any term in the sequence. Like I could ask you to find the 100th term. That would be A sub 100. But they don't specify it's the last one. Good? All right. There's 2 different types of sequences. We've talked about them both. Arithmetic is what shape?
Has the
Triangle.
by adding or subtracting.
Come on, what shape? Nicholas?
I'm just gonna ask if
Some of them maybe.
Oh.
Okay. Arithmetic, what shape? Adding,
Subtracting square. No.
triangle.
Line.
A line. It's a line. I said that. Okay. Geometric.
it's shape.
What? A triangle. All right. Geometric in here is cross line.
Parabola.
Come on, we just got the triangle.
Has a parabola. Triangle dividing the same ratio.
The swooshy bingo.
Thank you.
Exponential. And they are growth or decay.
Or compound.
So arithmetic,
Oh. My thought.
growth or decay. I'm sorry. Arithmetic, same difference. You're going to get a line. Geometry, multiply. Geometry has a multiplier divide. What kind of shape?
Square.
A growth or a
Decay.
decay. And what's it called?
A tree trunk.
Exponential.
Actually, that was what we called it.
Okay, here we go.
Wait.
No, wait.
I wasn't done. I
Exponent.
Okay, here we go. Arithmetic. This is old. From semester 1. So you should remember all of this. Okay, first thing. You need to find the difference.
Okay.
Okay, and you have to check them all, because if even one is off, then it's wrong, right?
Right.
How do we find the difference? What do we do with these terms?
You said.
How? I don't add. How do I find the difference?
Subtract
Which one from which one?
the biggest one from the small. Or wait, the
No. It's the second term minus the first term. So here, what's the second term?
Set.
Negative 6.
-6.
What's my first term?
-5. So it's -11.
So you take negative 6 minus 5, which is it negative 11 every time?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how do I write my equation?
And
So y equals mx plus b. What's m?
Y equals
I heard it.
negative 11.
It's the difference. It's negative 11. How do I find out my y-intercept?
the last number, first number,
No, no, oh, no. This is A1.
the second number,
This is my first term. This is my second term.
the third number,
What? No, come on. Where's the y-intercept?
last one, the
First.
second.
No, it's not. No.
The last.
Y-intercept, children.
We are so
It's where it crosses the y-axis.
It's where it crosses the y-axis. What's it that equal?
That's the first.
It's the 0 term. So this is the first term. What's the 0 term?
Minus 11.
16.
16. Because instead of subtracting 11, you're adding 11. So it's plus 16.
What?
Oh, come on. 1, 5. So here we're at 5. 2.
This is gonna be
No,
rough.
I understand it. I was just saying, what? I get it.
So you're just being silly. Okay, next one.
What?
How do I find my difference?
Question, will there ever be one that doesn't count?
Alright, so the next one, I take A2 minus A1. So it's 12 minus a negative 4, which is what? 16. Is it 16 every time? No. Is it multiplied every time? Let's try. What's 12 divided by negative 4?
Negative 3.
Okay, negative 3 times 12. Does that equal 28?
Oh.
No. So it's not arithmetic or geometry. So can we do this one at this time?
No.
No, man.
You don't know how.
Right, wrong on it.
So it's
Like
nothing.
Mrs. Carter.
Yep.
Will there ever be one that's not geometric?
How?
Like where it times and it adds that and gives you one.
A little unusual.
That's not what we
So they can be.
All right, here we go. Arithmetic, geometric.
That's
Figure out what it is. Yep. And then write your equation. Go, Brady.
Yeah.
And then, so that becomes your slope, your zero term.
Negative 1.
Subtract the 4, so it's negative 1. Does it add 4 every time?
Yeah.
Did you check?
Yes,
Yes.
it does.
So life is good. So is this what shape?
A line.
This is a line.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I made you graph it, it goes 1, this is 1 comma 3. This is 2 comma 7. This is 3 comma 11. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
All right. Can I draw
No.
the line?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Do it.
All right. They're going to try to trick you on your Iowa assessment. If they give you this and they tell you those are your answers, you cannot connect them. What would your domain be? Because they're trying to see if you know when to connect and when not. If I just gave you that and I didn't tell you to write the equation, what's the domain?
What does it do?
No. What could x equal? X can equal
Greater.
1, 2,
Greater than
3. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have?
5.
4 and 5. That's all x can equal.
Oh, so that's why you can't draw the line.
That's why you can't draw the line. What can y equal?
All reals.
No.
7.
The range is 3. You're right. 7. It's your answers.
Oh, okay.
Wait, so would it be a line segment?
It's actually,
Like without arrows, just,
you can't even draw it. You cannot connect them. It's called a discontinuous graph.
okay. Only those solutions. Okay.
It's all dots. All right. So, can they try to mess with you?
Yeah.
Okay. When do you connect it?
Never.
If they tell you to find the equation, so the y equals, then they want you to connect.
No.
All right, here we go. Okay, geometry. How do I find the difference between them?
Times them.
No, I don't multiply.
Oh, really? Then why does
I
it
take
say
the
5 right there?
second one divided by the first one. And that equals your ratio. Okay, so now that you got your ratio, I have to check to make sure it works. So what is 8 divided by 32?
46.
8 divided by 32 is not 4.
It is 1/4.
It is 1/4. So is 8 times 1/4 equal to 2?
No.
Yes. All right, now there's a couple ways to do geometric sequences. We're going to show you the formula because it's the easiest. All right, here's my problem. I got 2, 1/2, 1/8, 1/32. Is everybody there?
Yeah.
All right, this first term, so A1 is equal to 2. Agreed?
Yes.
Okay, what's A2, whoops, A2 equal to? 2 times what? No. 2 times a 4. Okay, how many times did I multiply by my ratio?
4 times.
How many times did I multiply right here?
0.2 times.
She only did it once.
I only did it once.
Yeah, I'm
So it's the first term, agreed, times the ratio. And there's only one ratio. Alright, now let's look at this one. A3, so I'm at this term right here. That's equal to 2 times how many times did I multiply by a 4? 2. So that's your first term. How many ratios do I have? 2. But what term am I on?
Third.
The third. So the third term I've had 2 ratios. The second term I've had 1 ratio. So what's my fourth term going to have? 3 ratios. It'll be the first term r to the third. Why is it 1 less?
You know what I'm saying?
I do know what you're saying.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You are correct.
Yeah.
Yes?
Okay, so did you take the subscript and then the exponent and add them and that would be your term?
It does, and it works every time, but it's a weird way to look at it. What's happening is, does the first term have a ratio?
No.
No, because that's your starting point. So you're always 1 less because your first term never has it. So if I want to find the 100th term, what am I going to do? I'm going to take the first term, and how many ratios? 99.
Wow.
Okay? So what that is, it's your first term times the ratio to the n minus 1 power.
So it's when you take the subscript plus the,
No.
and then.
Okay, let's see if we can figure this out. So how would I write this equation? I'm going to erase this so I have room. Is
Do it.
everybody ready?
Erase.
Okay, how do I write the equation for this geometric sequence?
1 plus 3.
And
So a sub n, so any term is equal to, what's my first term?
A,
2.
1, 2, exponent. Oh,
What's my ratio?
1/4.
1/4. And to what power?
The first.
No,
Second.
I want to find any one.
And 56.
So it's not n, because I don't- it's n,
And.
N minus A.
not minus a.
A minus
How many am I short?
1.
One.
A minus 1.
Isn't
I
it
said
in the
that.
last term?
No,
Alright, and is actually any term. If it's not specified, it's the last. So if I want you to find the 50th term, what would you do?
2.
what term is
1
mine?
plus n minus 50.
So if I want to find the 50th, this would be a sub 50 equals 2 times 1/4 to the what power? 49th power. Are we getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, that's geometric. What shape?
Mine. No, the swoopy thing is whoosh.
Square.
Exponential. The
Nike.
swoopy thing is exponential.
Whoosh.
Okay, the 1/4. Growth or decay? Growth. No. Decay. Decay. And
You
I'll
said it
agree
too.
with you. Alright, now, if I don't ask for the equation, go ahead, Christian.
So we just call this the Nike one? 'Cause it's
If I don't ask for the equation, and I just want you to graph it, what's my domain?
All reals.
No, do not ask for the equation. How many terms are there?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Four.
5, 6.
I'm going to make you do 6 terms, so my domain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the range are the answers.
32.
So we started at, this starts way up here, by the way, 32. So it's 32, 8, 2, 1/2, 1/8, 1/32. If I make you graph them, they would be here, here, here. Okay, could I go on forever?
Yes,
Yeah.
But did I tell you to?
No.
No. Since I told you to do only the first 6, that's all you get to do.
Why
It's
would you
just not
want
way
to
solved for the problem.
drop your pencil in?
Okay, your turn.
Do you want me to go
Next 2 terms, graph, domain range. After that, I want you to write the equation.
I'm gonna go back
It's time to
to
buy 3, so 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, like 26.
That's all I got.
This part, up a little bit.
Okay, so let's go up, if we go up by 20s, can we do it?
No.
Yep, 20s.
We still didn't even get there.
Close enough.
Not gonna work.
All right, what do I graph? What's my first point?
189. Right there,
17.
5, 6,
1, 7. So I go to 1 and 7. What's my next point?
2, 21.
2 and 21. Next point,
3 and 6.
3 and 63. Next point.
4 and 189.
Okay, and is my next point going to get on there?
No.
No. Can I connect them?
No.
No. They did not tell you to. Okay, now if I ask you for the equation, what's the equation?
Y equals
A sub n equals,
Oh,
Three.
I have this, equals 7, parentheses, 3, parentheses, and minus 1. Excuse me. Let's
who agrees?
Me, I agree.
First term is 7,
It's
3 is the ratio, n minus 1. It is perfect.
Why is it n minus 1?
I have to.
I thought we were trying to find a certain term.
If I give you a term, then that's when that becomes a different number. So if I ask you for the 10th term, then that becomes 9.
No.
If I ask you for the equation, that's the equation.
will it ever be n minus 2?
Nope, not in here.
Anywhere would be that
I'm gonna have
like
two
Not in the
tests in this class. This
For other terms, yes. There are terms that are not included in the Okay, we just talked about this. Tell me what everything means. What's A sub n? What is this?
What do you want to call the something? No, the point.
It's the term you're finding.
term there?
What's this?
Sub.
A1 is what?
Sub.
First term.
First term.
Ratio.
What's R? Yep, R is your ratio. And what's it?
Positive integer.
Measure.
It's the position you're trying to find. Everybody good?
Yeah, I'll be when I get on the right page.
All right, we want to write the equation this time. So what do I need to do with this? What's step 1?
You need to
Find the pattern? How do I find it? How do you find it? Step 1, ratio. You take 12 divided by negative 6. A2 divided by A1. Negative 2. Does it work every time?
No.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so what's my equation? AN equals what?
And equals.
Negative 6.
Negative 6 times negative 2, 2
And
dot,
minus 1.
and minus 1.
I wasn't even here to say.
How would you get negative 6 from it?
Negative 6 is your first term.
Ah.
A1. All right. Now I'm going to use that equation and I want to find the 9th term.
That's good.
So we're finding the 9th term. Where does that go?
Even.
So A sub 9 is equal to what?
Negative 6.
Negative 6 times negative 2 to what power?
Not 8.
8.
N minus 8.
Not n
Well,
minus
n minus 9.
8. No.
Yes.
N minus 9 is n
9 minus 1.
N minus.
What was
Are you
that?
all right?
Yeah, I'm okay.
That was your fault.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, go. Your turn.
Well,
A 4.
it's a
So
half.
48 divided by 96 is 1/2. Okay, what's my equation?
AN equals 96 times 1/2 parentheses n minus 1.
Good. Okay, it told you to find 10th term. What do you do? So you're finding A sub 10. What's it going to be equal to?
Equals
96.
parentheses 1/2 parentheses 10 minus 1, right? 79.
What do you got?
That was like a dead cat. I don't know what that was.
You got a copy, let her do it.
96, 20, let's see, 0.5 to the 9th equals 0.187.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, the question I had on the homework, there's two things written here. So this is your homework for today. This is an extra review, because this test has a lot in it. So if you go down, you have your regular review. If you're not comfortable, there's another review to do, so that I get lovely grades on this next test.
Love that.
Oh.